Hello, friends, fam, other words, so forth and so on. Mr. Chewbeat's back with another video for you guys. Alright, so, okay, a lot of people like to play things other than what is on their phone. Let's say, for instance, you want to play PSP on your phone. You want to go back down memory lane and play all those old games that you used to play on PSP, PlayStation Portable. Well, now you can with an app called Ppsspp. It's a PSP emulator. For those of you who don't know, a PSP emulator is like a PSP, except it emulates the PSP rather than being it. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. I already have mine downloaded, but I'm going to show you where you can get it from. The almighty, super exclusive, super rare Google Play Store. All you have to do is type it in. Ppsspp. Ppsspp. That can be a tongue twister sometime. Alright, and install it. I already have mine installed. While you're here, you're gonna want to go ahead and get Zarchiver. If it's not on the list, just click install, accept. Or if it's not on the list, like when you type in Ppsspp, although it should be there, just go ahead and type it in and download it. The reason you need this is because you have to extract a few files before you can have the game. Alright, a lot of you are probably wondering at this moment, how come there's Ppsspp, PSP emulator, and then there's Ppsspp Gold, PSP emulator? Well, Gold, I have absolutely no clue what the difference is between either of them, but I just know that Ppsspp is the same as what the Gold version is going to do. There's probably a few extra things like better graphics or so forth and so on, but it costs money on here. There is a way you can get it, and I will make another video showing how you can get it now. Alright, so once you get them downloaded, you're going to want to go ahead into PSP emulator, Ppsspp. Go to settings, and you guys are going to want to make sure your settings look exactly like mine. Alright. If you need to, pause, because I'm going to keep on going. So if you need to make sure that you're seeing everything correctly, just pause it. Alright, here's the next one. That should be simple for you. It doesn't matter what your MAC address is. If something's not working, that may not be the first thing you change. But you guys gonna want to leave your MAC address the exact same, because I changed mine by accident and I just left it like how it is because it works the same. Alright. You don't have to enable cheats, but you can. I did because I want to be able to cheat. Alright, now this right here says date format right there. Date format. You can change that to whatever you want it to be. Let's say, like, I live in Decatur, Alabama. Therefore, I know what I grew up writing was month, your 2-month numbers, 2-day numbers, and the 4-year numbers. Or slash the last 2 numbers of the year. But some of you might have grown up knowing year, month, day, or day, month, year. Alright, but I grew up knowing the middle one. So, you can also change the time format. I do 12-hour time format, but you guys may like military time, so you can change it to military time if you would like. And you can also change if you want the X button to be the confirmation button, or if you want any other button to be the confirmation button. But I just left it at X. Alright, so once you have all that set, you want to go ahead and go back into games, and like when you press back, it should go right into games, and you want to scroll down and find PSP right there, and click game. Alright, now that you have that done, don't touch anything and just click the home button. Now that you've clicked the home button, go to your Google Chrome. I prefer Chrome because you can download things easier from there. Some of you may have a different preferred thing. But, so now all you need to do is just type in Emu Paradise. I already have mine out there. Just click it and click the first search thing that comes up in Google, and then you're here. Now, as easy as it sounds, as easy as it is, PSP. All you gotta type in PSP. Beautiful. Alright. 1,000 results found. Now you're gonna make sure it says RMs up here on this little menu right there. You want to make sure RMs is orange because you don't want to be searching emulators because you already have an emulator. So let's say you also want to look always, make sure it says USA and make sure it says ISO at the end. And you also want to look at the system, make sure it says PSP because sometimes there are different systems when you type in PSP. And you want to make sure that the size of the thing is what you can afford the size. Like let's say I want to get driver 76. That's a Europe ISO, but it's okay. Just for this example, but it takes up 791 megabytes. I need at least I think it's a gigabyte or two to begin with because you have to be able to run it, and then you got to make sure that you can actually download the game and use it. Now what I suggest is after you get the game extracted from it, you go ahead and delete all the extra files. That'll save you a lot of space. But the game I'm going to use to show you today is, if I can find it, oh, there it is. Burnout Legends. Okay. So you click Burnout Legends, and then you're going to scroll down. You can read all this if you want to, but I find it not present. Hold on. There we go. Alright, you're going to go down to direct download links. Click the download link, and then you're going to go down again and find the download link and download it. Alright. And once it'll say that the download started. Alright. You gotta wait for the download to finish. It's gonna take quite a while because it's a I think that said it was 260 megabytes or so. But this one's gonna go quicker. I've downloaded a whole gigabyte one before. I downloaded Grand Theft Auto, and it took way longer. So just wait for it to download. Still waiting. Okay, while it's waiting, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure my Zarchiver is working. I'm going ahead and check the settings on it. Make sure it's okay. Alright, you can change the theme. I guess I won't because it's not allowing me to. The icon style, classic. Just leave everything that way it is. That's the quickest way to do things. And then, alright. So now we just need to wait for it to finish downloading. Oh my god. You know, I always get angry with the download times and the time it takes. Well, while we're waiting on it to download, I'm gonna go check out my programs too. Cause I could care less. So, that's okay. Alright, almost done, 73%. Okay, finally finished downloading. Alright, when it finishes downloading, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your Zarchiver. Click download. Click the downloads button. Want to find your game. Alright, when you find your game, click extract here. Alright, and it shouldn't take long to extract. Sometimes it won't. So, alright, so it finished. You want to open the file. And, if you don't see the ISO file in there, you just want to click the first one that's there. And click, open. Open with Zarchiver you want to choose. When I find it, there it is. Always. Alright, that's what you want to have. That right there is what you want to get. So you take that, and you say extract, and then you click home folder. Then you go find Ppsspp. Go find Ppsspp, put it in games, and then click extract here. So while it's extracting, you just watch the percentage. Now, another way this will go down is it depends on what type of ROM you get, but the ISO sometimes will appear like in the itself without having to extract another one or open another one. So almost done. You can hide it, like if you want to go and open another app and do something on it, you can always hide this. It won't cancel anything. Alright, so now go back to Ppsspp, and then your game will be there. So all you gotta do now is click it. It should be opening up, but hold on, it's trying. may have to restart it. I had it open for a long time. Alright. We're down to PSP game. There we go. Now it's opening up. As you can see, it's starting up perfectly. You can hear it if you want to. Say click start button. You're gonna want to click new profile. Yeah. New profile. Oh. Yeah, I'm so stupid. I'm so used to, tapping things on there that I forget. But you have to use the controls. You can't just tap it. It's just like a PSP, so you have to use the controls. There is a way I will show you in a minute. There is a way you can make the controls smaller. I'm just gonna leave the name Ppsspp. I don't really play this game, so yes, do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you just quickly that how the game works. I don't have many cards because I just downloaded the game, but as you can see, you can pick one. I'm just gonna pick type 3. Now, I don't know how to play this game for real, but I'm just gonna show you what I think I know. So as you can see, I'm using the joystick to control it. I just gotta hit it first. It's just like Burnout. I took that guy down. Still going. Now, if you don't know the controls, you can always click start and go down to controls. And it'll show you the controls. Alright. Now, one thing I definitely want to show you is if you click select, or hold up. Yeah. If you have a back button on, you're going to want to do that, but some of you don't. I'm not sure how else you would do it. But I have a back button on my phone because I have a S4 active, Galaxy S4 active. So, one thing that's cool is, you don't have to, keep on playing or wait till you can save it. You can always just click the back button and click save state. And it'll save that spot. So then I can close out of this app. And let's say, oh crap, I accidentally closed out my app. Well, never fear. Save state is here. I just go back into it. PSP. Game. Burnout. Now, you may be thinking, oh, I gotta wait till the game to load up. But all I have to do is click the back button again, click load state, and then I'm back where I was, just like that. You don't start from a checkpoint, you start from exactly where you click save state. So, alright, that's good for you. Alright, well, a few more things I want to show you. Hold up. What did I just do? Yeah, this is where you can get cheats. So what you have to do is you have to go download cheats. Now I'm not gonna download cheats because that's unnecessary. But what you do is you go download cheats and then you put them in the file cheats.db. If you don't have one of those, which you should once you download it, but if you don't have one of those, all you have to do is create it and then put the cheat in there and then click import from it. So when you import it, since I don't have any, it just comes back to this place. But when you have some, when you import the cheats, they'll be there and you can use them. Alright, I'm gonna get the heck out of this game. Oh, and by the way, you can save multiple different states if you want to keep one, and you can overwrite different states. Alright. So one thing you can do, you can change the way the games are set up. You can have them in like pictures, or you can have them with the picture and then the word out beside them, like a little thingamajiggy, like a little list. Alright. So I was in controls one time and I was like, edit control layout. What does that mean? So that means that you can resize the controls. So let's say I want to make the control super small so that I can put them like on the screen very small. Then I can move it like over here, and I can also resize this and make it super small and put it like down here. And then I resize this, or crap, yeah, resize that, make them super small, and then move them down here. That is completely impractical. I have super large thumbs, but if you want to, you can do that. And they work. You can test you can change the visibility. Like you can make it where you can't see them, and we can make it where you can. So I'll show you the visibility thing. So I have my visibility off. That means I can't see them at all, but they're there. You can still play with them. They'll still be there and whatnot. So I think that's about it. Like I told you, I'm gonna make a video for if you guys want to get Ppsspp Gold, because I'm pretty sure there is something that's better about it, but it's completely unnecessary. You can just get this. Alright, and that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time.